Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can, where and how you can find ants in Heartopia. So you are actually going to go to settings first, and we are going to lower our graphics to low. So make sure everything is low right now. Do I have to restart? I feel like I do. Hold on. Graphics. Okay, so I'm going to restart the game, and when I'm back, make sure you spawn in like the fishing village square. So I will spawn back here again, hopefully, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I found an ant. Also, you have to be level 3, by the way, to find ants, and you're able to see the ants better without like all the grass. So here's where the ant is. Perfect. That's where you can find ants. Make sure you have your graphics quality at low so the grass doesn't get in the way of you finding the ant. They'll also be on these like hills, so keep your eye out for that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!